Hey, it's Tommy the Butcher for Wise Guys Barbecue with a new video for you today. Pastrami beef short ribs. Today we're only doing the cure, a 7-day cure, because next week we're gonna be coming right back at you. We're gonna get these on the smoker. So I'm gonna show you how you can do this at home. But before we get started, please like, share, subscribe, ring that notification bell so you will not miss an episode. Stick around, we're cooking together. All right, we're gonna brine together for our pastrami short rib cure. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna toast off 2 ingredients. I got a skillet, it's on medium heat. I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of whole black peppercorn and 1 tablespoon of coriander. And I'm gonna keep my eye on this. Don't let it go. We don't wanna burn it. We just wanna get a light toastiness because that will bring out the flavors, and we'll get this all broken up a little bit, and we'll add it to all the other ingredients that'll go into our pickling spice. So this will only take a couple of minutes, but stay with this and keep an eye on it. Keep it at low heat because you don't want it to burn. All right, once you begin to get the fragrance, you'll know it right away that it'll be ready to stop the toasting part. But as soon as we get that fragrance, you can actually see some of these berries, they stop popping around a little bit in there. So I think that's good. I'm gonna kill the heat, and then we're gonna go right into I got a dish towel set up here because we're gonna get this crushed up. So the best way to do this, get it in a towel, fold the towel over, get something, I got a meat pounder here, and just kind of break it up. You want to just coarsely break it up. You don't need to go into a powder by any means, but I can already smell the pepper. What that toasting does is just concentrate those flavors. All right. Now I'm going to transfer these spices into a bowl. All right, now we're going to add our remaining ingredients. 1 tablespoon of whole mustard seed. I got 1 tablespoon of a whole allspice berry, 1 tablespoon of whole juniper berry, got a tablespoon of whole cloves, and 1 cinnamon stick. We just broke that up, and 4 bay leaves that have also been broken up. Just gonna give that a stir. Okay, there's our pickling spice that we're gonna be adding to our brine once we get this rolling. All right, we're ready to get our brine put together. Now I have 1.5 gallons of water. It's at a simmer now, and we're gonna be adding 3 cups of kosher sea salt. We're also gonna be adding 1.5 cups of granulated white sugar, and then our curing agent, 2 tablespoons of pink salt. Gonna give that a stir. The pickling spice that we just made, I'm gonna add about 1/3 cup to that. And I got about 10 garlic cloves. Just went ahead and smashed them. You do not have to peel them. You can go in with the peels and all, and that'll be perfectly fine because it's only gonna be in our brining liquid. That's it, we're gonna let this simmer until we get all our salt and sugar dissolved. All right, at this point, I basically just wanna get it returned to a boil. And at that point, we're just gonna move it to the side, let it cool off a little bit, and then get our brining pot all set up. All right, we're off to the next step. Our brining liquid is complete. All I need to do now is get it out of this pot. We're gonna get it into a turkey brining jug with 8.5 pounds of ice already in there, set up. So we gotta get this brining liquid cooled down pretty quickly. Plus this brining liquid as it is pretty concentrated, so the ice is the perfect thing that's gonna mellow out this brining liquid. So let's get it over there. We're gonna pour it right in. All right, just gonna get this all stirred up. All right, everything's stirred up well. Now we're gonna get it moved over to our workstation. We're gonna look at short ribs. We're gonna get them trimmed up. Then we'll submerge them into our brine and let them do their thing for the next 7 days. So I have 2 racks of beef chuck short ribs, and I am gonna do a little more trimming than we normally would if we were just doing a smoking process. I wanna get a lot of this fat off. I want to get a lot of penetration of the brine, as well as the rub, the pastrami rub. Once we go to smoke these, I'm actually going to take most of this external fat off. As far as the rib side is concerned, I'm not going to touch it. I'm not going to do anything. I'm going to leave that membrane on because I want that membrane to hold all those rib bones intact. So all we got to do is just get this trimmed up a little bit. All right, that's good. The only thing I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna round off these corners a little bit. Make it a little more aerodynamic. That's it. I'm just gonna get these into the brine. And we're gonna get the top plate set so that these ribs can stay submerged into the brine so they're not popping up out of it. And that's it. We're gonna get the lid on here, get them in the fridge, and we'll be back in 7 days because we're gonna be pulling these out. We're gonna be doing a smoke to make our short rib pastrami. All right, folks, there you have it. That's our 7-day cure for our beef pastrami short ribs. We're gonna be taking these to the smoker next week, so be sure to stay tuned. So until then, this is Tommy the Butcher for Wise Guys Barbecue. Please like, share, subscribe, ring that notification bell so you will not miss an episode. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see you next week.